This is going to be a continuation of our last video, and in this video we're going to customize the website and eventually launch it. We'll start by creating an icon. Click into the Tools and Image Generator. Go to the AI tab and add a text prompt for your icon logo. Crop the image into a square with some slight padding and download the file. Move into the Image to SVG tab and add the image that we just made. When your SVG loads, delete the generated background and use the Add Background button to add our own. For further customization of your SVG, you can use tools like Affinity Designer to draw your SVG or edit an existing SVG. Copy the SVG and move into the favicon generator section. Paste your SVG code in, generate and download the favicons. This will also generate other media that will be useful later on. Once you've downloaded the favicons, drag all of the files into the static folder of your code project. Override all the defaults. Next, go into the logo index.svelte file. Copy the generated code from the favicon generator and paste that into that file. Also copy the app.html code and paste it into your app.html file. Now if you go into your browser and toggle between tabs, you can see the favicon.svg and the favicon-inactive SVG toggling. This doesn't work in every browser. Next, go to Contibase, into the settings, branding, and add the favicon.webp file into your icon, and add the full logo.webp into the full logo. And also set a brand color. In the plus layout.svelte file, scroll down to the styling and set a primary hue for your website. If you want, you can make an X account, add your brand logo, So now you'll want to build out your website however suits your brand. For this use case, we're just going to be building a Survivor show site, so we might want to add seasons, episodes, recaps. In Contibase, I'll add a custom table, make some custom columns. You can use the bulk insert feature to quickly add many rows from JSON. Once you add a bunch of tables and data, you can go back into your code and call the Tables API to retrieve the data on a page load. Once you finish a minimum working version of your website and you're ready to go live, push the latest changes you have to GitHub. Then go to Vercel and create a Vercel project. Connect your GitHub project to your Vercel project. Make sure to add env variables to ensure a successful build. If the build succeeds, your site will be live on a generated domain name from Vercel. We'll want to change that to use your custom domain. And there you go. Your website should be live on your custom domain name. Anytime you push code to main, it'll be seen there. You can share your project, and look, there's your thumbnail. Be sure to check out the blog post that goes along with this for any questions you have.